Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Clean too early and you waste water, labor, and truck rolls. Clean too late and you leave 5 or 6-figure yield losses sitting on the glass. The right cleaning day is not a date on a calendar. It's a point on a loss curve. And most utility-scale cleaning schedules still operate on fixed intervals instead of field data. That's why ClearSpot's soiling agents are designed to find the highest ROI cleaning window using drone inspections, weather patterns, and production data together. A drone captures RGB and thermal imagery across the site. The system combines that with irradiance, SCADA production, rainfall history, and historical cleaning response. Then the AI agent tracks the soiling index over time and fits a performance loss curve for each block. That curve estimates the exact point where the marginal cost of cleaning crosses the marginal revenue recovered. That crossover point becomes your peak ROI cleaning window. Instead of guessing when to dispatch crews, field teams get a data-backed trigger. Now look at the operational impact. Without automation, many O&M teams build custom spreadsheets for every site. That process is slow, inconsistent, and difficult to scale across large portfolios. ClearSpot changes that workflow. Field operators get live block-by-block soiling visibility, recommended cleaning windows, estimated energy recovery, and financial upside projections. That means fewer unnecessary truck rolls and faster decisions during high soiling periods. And because the drone inspection covers the entire site consistently, the maintenance team works from one standardized data set instead of fragmented field notes. The important part is that every climate behaves differently. A coastal site may experience salt film accumulation. A desert portfolio may see rapid dust loading and high wind redistribution. Agricultural sites often experience seasonal pollen and harvest dust spikes. Static cleaning schedules fail because they assume all sites behave the same way. The AI agent adapts automatically per environment. That means field teams do not need to recalibrate spreadsheets every season or manually rebuild loss assumptions site by site. This is where drone operations become operational strategy. Instead of scheduling cleaning by fixed dates, teams shift to loss-based triggers. The agent continuously updates recommendations as weather changes, soiling accumulates, or production deviates. Humans still control vendor coordination, safety approvals, water logistics, and field execution. But the decision framework becomes measurable and repeatable. That's the difference between routine cleaning and performance-driven maintenance. The Cleaning ROI Day Calculator and a sample soiling curve dashboard are available in this video's resource pack. They include cleaning trigger examples, cost crossover thresholds, and operational scheduling templates used for utility-scale solar sites. Download the resource pack through the ClearSpot demo page by requesting the Cleaning ROI resource for this episode, because the most profitable cleaning schedule is the one driven by field data, not the calendar. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.